Did you know that making the right food choices can not only improve your overall health but is also key to staying healthy and fit as you enter middle age? As we age, our bodies begin to experience changes in metabolism, immune function, and cardiovascular health. However, the good news is that making positive changes to your diet can help reduce common health problems and increase longevity and quality of life. One of the simplest and most effective ways to take care of your health is to focus on adding the 6 healthiest vegetables to your daily meals. These vegetables not only provide essential nutrients, but also contain natural compounds that help boost the immune system, improve digestion, protect the heart, and support brain function. Why are vegetables so important? Many studies have proven the amazing health benefits of vegetables. According to research from Harvard University, a diet rich in green vegetables and fruits can reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease by up to 31%, while also helping to prevent type 2 diabetes and some types of cancer. In addition, the Lancet Medical Journal has announced that each additional daily serving of green vegetables can extend the average human life expectancy by 1.8 years. In our list of healthy vegetables, we'll look at superfoods like cruciferous vegetables, artichokes, shiitake mushrooms, beets, chicory, and nutrient-dense roots. Not only are they packed with vitamins and minerals, they're also rich in prebiotic fiber, polyphenols, and natural compounds that can fight inflammation, lower cholesterol, and promote gut health. Take cruciferous vegetables, for example, a group of vegetables known for their cancer-fighting properties thanks to sulforaphane, a natural compound that helps protect cells from free radical damage. Research from Johns Hopkins University Hopkins points out that regular consumption of cruciferous vegetables can reduce the risk of lung and colon cancer by up to 40%. Similarly, artichokes are considered the king of fiber-rich vegetables, supporting the digestive system and reducing the risk of constipation, a common problem in middle-aged people. Think about it. When was the last time you chose to eat a full meal of green vegetables? In your busy life, are you accidentally ignoring the important benefits of these simple but extremely effective dishes? Today, we will dive into each vegetable on this list, discovering the health benefits behind each leaf, root, or cauliflower. At the same time, you will also know how to prepare them easily and quickly to add to your daily meals without feeling bored. Let's start this journey now to build a healthier body, not only for yourself, but also as an inspiration for your family and loved ones. 6 best vegetables for middle-aged health. Perfect source of natural nutrition. When it comes to improving your health in midlife, nothing is more important than a diet rich in natural foods. Vegetables play a central role, providing a wealth of vitamins, minerals, fiber, and beneficial natural compounds. Let's take a closer look at the top 6 vegetables for improving overall health and why they outperform processed foods. 1. Shiitake mushrooms, superfoods that help protect the heart. Shiitake mushrooms are not only popular in cuisine, but are also known as a rich source of nutrients for health. They contain beta-glucan, a polysaccharide that can reduce LDL cholesterol and strengthen the immune system. Research from the University of Tokyo shows that regular consumption of shiitake mushrooms for 8 weeks helps reduce LDL cholesterol by 10 to 15%, reducing the risk of cardiovascular disease. In addition, shiitake mushrooms also contain natural vitamin D, an important factor in maintaining strong bone density. Compared to processed foods rich in empty calories such as potato chips, about 500 calories per 100 grams, shiitake mushrooms provide only 35 calories per 100 grams, but contain superior nutrients. Sauté shiitake mushrooms with garlic and olive oil, or use as a stock for vegetable soup. 2. Chicory, friend of the digestive system. Chicory, a staple in Mediterranean salads, is notable for its inulin content, a prebiotic fiber that helps balance gut microbiota. According to Harvard Health, consuming chicory can improve constipation in 87% of people over 50, while also reducing the risk of chronic inflammation. The nutritional profile of endive far surpasses that of processed foods. A bowl of endive salad contains only about 20 calories but is rich in fiber, vitamin K, and folate, while a serving of French fries provides 250 to 300 calories and very little nutritional value. Toss a chicory salad with avocado, orange, and balsamic dressing for a light, healthy dish. 3. Artichoke. Protects intestinal health. Artichokes, especially artichoke hearts, are a rich source of prebiotic fiber that helps support gut health. Research from the University of Florence shows that eating regular consumption of artichokes, can reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes by up to 20%. In particular, artichokes contain cynarin, a compound that can reduce inflammation and support liver function. Meanwhile, processed foods are often high in sugar and saturated fat, which increases the risk of inflammation and digestive disorders. A serving of artichokes contains only about 60 calories but provides superior nutritional value. Steam artichokes and serve with lemon garlic sauce or roast with olive oil and Parmesan cheese. 4. Roots. Nutritional gems. From the earth, carrots, radishes, and jicama are not only rich in fiber but also contain postbiotic bacteria that help boost immune health. Nature magazine Microbiology confirms that bacteria from the root can help reduce the risk of chronic inflammation by up to 15%. Compared to fast food like hamburgers, about 500 calories per 100 grams, the root provides only 40 to 50 calories per 100 grams, but is an excellent source of vitamin A, potassium, and antioxidants. Roast beets with honey and thyme, or make a raw carrot salad with lemon juice. 5. Cruciferous vegetables. Effective cancer. Prevention. Broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts are top cancer fighters thanks to their sulforaphane content, a powerful antioxidant. According to the International Cancer Research Institute, regular consumption of cruciferous vegetables reduces the risk of colon cancer by 40%. Processed foods often contain harmful preservatives, while cruciferous vegetables provide low calories, about 30 to 50 calories per 100 grams, and are full of essential nutrients such as vitamin C, calcium, and iron. Steam broccoli and toss with sesame oil, or make a light, creamy broccoli soup. 6. Beetroot. Improves blood circulation. Beetroot is a natural source of nitrates, which help improve blood circulation and support heart health. Research from the University of Exeter shows that consuming beetroot can improve physical endurance by up to 16%, which is very beneficial for middle-aged people. Instead of opting for a bottled soft drink that contains 150 to 200 calories and sugar, a cup of beet juice provides only about 70 calories and adds nitrates and antioxidants. Make beetroot juice with apples and ginger, or roast with olive oil and rosemary. Processed foods are not only high in calories, but also loaded with preservatives, refined sugars, and saturated fats, all of which contribute to inflammation, obesity, and chronic disease. Meanwhile, natural vegetables are low in calories but rich in fiber and beneficial compounds that help keep the body healthy and reduce the risk of disease. By adding these vegetables to your daily diet, you will not only improve your health, but also enjoy the fresh, natural flavors of simple yet nutritious dishes. Let's start your journey to healthy living today. Looking back at all the information we have just shared, we can easily see that health is not a random luck, but the result of daily choices. Adding natural vegetables such as shiitake mushrooms, chicory, artichokes, roots, cruciferous vegetables, and beets to your diet not only helps your body become healthier, but also prevents many dangerous chronic diseases such as cardiovascular disease, diabetes, and cancer. This is truly a gift from nature, ready to accompany you on your journey to protect your health. However, many of us are unwittingly sacrificing our health through bad habits, such as consuming processed foods, fast food, or drinking carbonated soft drinks. These foods often contain large amounts of empty calories, saturated fat, and refined sugar, but are seriously lacking in essential nutrients. According to research from the University of Cambridge, a diet high in processed foods can increase the risk of obesity and cardiovascular disease by up to 60%. In addition, lack of exercise, lack of sleep, or prolonged stress are also factors that silently destroy health. But don't worry, any positive change, no matter how small, can have a big impact. A meal of greens instead of fast food, a glass of beet juice instead of a soft drink, or even just a few minutes of preparing a salad for dinner can be the start of a healthier lifestyle. Your health is the most important investment you can make, and you're worth it. Imagine a life where you wake up every day with a healthy body, full of energy to enjoy the most meaningful things with your family and loved ones. It is not a far-fetched dream that you can completely achieve if you start today. Nature has given us wonderful foods. Our task is simply to learn to appreciate and use them properly. Join us in spreading the message of healthy living. If today's sharing has inspired you, don't forget to support the channel by clicking the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss the next useful videos. Let's build a positive community together where everyone is motivated to choose a healthy lifestyle and enjoy life more fully. You can also share this video with your friends and family, those who you want to accompany you on your healthcare journey. Let every meal not only be a source of nutrition, but also a moment of love, connection, and nurturing a healthier future for all of us. Finally, remember, self-care is not selfish. It is a gift you give to yourself and the people you love. So start today. We are here to accompany you on this journey.